Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. In today's video, we are going to address one of the challenges that most of us also face, or when we install AutoCAD for the first time, sometimes we face some challenges such as our command line not showing, our properties palette not showing, and other stuffs. So today we are going to talk about our command line not showing. So I will open a new drawing, just click on the drop down menu, then I'll click on this one. So now our AutoCAD is open, and now we could see everything on our working area, our desktop and all this stuff. Our command line is showing. Okay, so how do we activate this command? As I said, we have two ways to solve this challenge, but today we are going to look at the command line not showing. Okay, so two ways. The first way is the shortcut way, and the second way is going through the normal process or normal procedures, going through the normal tabs to activate your command line, or to let your command line show on your working area. So the shortcut will be the last thing that I will talk about because it is very short. So I'm going to talk about the normal procedures, or the normal process or the normal steps that you are going to use to bring up or to show up your command line. So in the first place, after you've opened your drawing and you've set up your working area and everything, that you know that you are good to go, you go to the file menu here at the top here where the cursor is moving. So then you go to view. Now in the view tab or the view menu, we have a lot of tabs under it. Okay, so the only place that you are going to do, or we are going to go to bring our command active, is by going to the place where we can see the palette, where they've written palette, the palette tab. So under the palette tab, look at this small icon here. You could see that as I hover the cursor onto the icon, it shows that command line. Okay, so when you click on it, boom, automatically you could see that the command line is showing beneath here, the working area where the cursor is. Okay, so this is how to activate your command line, or to show your command line on the working area, which is also going to help you or guide you in doing your drawings. Now with the shortcut key, before I go into the shortcut key, I would like you to like this video, make a comment on some of the challenges that we are also facing, then I will solve these challenges with you step by step. Okay, so like this video, subscribe to the channel, and make a comment to the video as well by telling us by telling us some of the challenges that you face during your AutoCAD installation, or whilst working on AutoCAD, or some of the things that you would like to do using AutoCAD that you don't know how to do, or you are not able to do it. Okay, so the shortcut is Ctrl+9. So now, since you could see that I've activated the command line, I'm going to use the shortcut Ctrl+9. Now you could see that it is telling me, do you want to close the command line window? So if you don't want it to appear on your working area, just click on yes, and voila, it is gone. But if you want it to show on your working area, the same process, Ctrl+9, and the command line will be activated or open. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know your comments, or add your comments to the comment section.